Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video we're going to be talking about how to lucid dream every night. So first of all, what is lucid dreaming, you might ask yourself. A lucid dream is a dream during which the dreamer is aware that they are dreaming. During a lucid dream, the dreamer may gain some amount of control over the dream characters, narrative and environment. What does lucid dreaming feel like, you may ask? It feels like manipulating real life. You can travel anywhere in an instant, break the laws of physics, change your identity, wish for something and make it happen. The world is essentially yours and you do what you please. Now this might seem interesting, but how to lucid dream in the first place? There are two ways to find out if you're in a lucid dream. First, the reality check. Now the one that I use is plug your nose and try to breathe. You can't in real life, but you can in a lucid dream because you don't control the breathing in a lucid dream, and one that's most likely to work is the wake back to bed method. So it goes like this. Step 1, go to bed as normal and allow yourself to sleep for 6 hours. Set your alarm clock or have another early riser wake you up. Now step 2 is after 6 hours, get out of bed and fully wake yourself up. Find something to occupy your brain to make you alert. Read about lucid dreaming if you want to stay focused on the subject. Stay alert for 20 to 60 minutes. You must get out of bed to do this one. Step 3, go back to bed and relax. If your mind is too alert, practice meditation, listen to brainwave entertainment and or perform mnemonic. Use your visualization skills to place your mind back in the dreamscape and plan your next lucid dream as you fall asleep. If you follow these steps correctly and perfect them, you'll be able to lucid dream every night, most probably at least. And just a bonus, if you enter a lucid dream, what's the most fun stuff to do? I would recommend flying because it feels so real and you can feel the wind blow in your face. Just try flying in a lucid dream if you have never done before. It's really a nice experience to do. So that's it for today's videos. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. Also drop a comment of what you think about this video. Maybe share it with your friends if you find this interesting and or if they're interested in lucid dreaming. And take care until next. I'll see y'all later. Peace out.